Hi there everyone and welcome. In this video, we will take a closer look at one of the fastest growing and the most in-demand programming language, that is Python. Why you should definitely learn Python. What are the factors behind Python's high demand and increasing popularity? And most importantly, why learning Python is one of the best decisions you can make throughout your life. Here are the top 5 reasons. Reason number 1, Python is simple and syntax friendly. It is simple to understand as a plain English. Python aims to emphasize readability and the use of significant white space. In the other word, it strives to be as close to the human language as possible because of its syntax and dynamic typing nature, which makes it extremely easy to master even for individuals without a technical programming background. Reason number 2 is extremely rich libraries. One of the reasons why Python's popularity is growing so rapidly and is adopted by so many organizations is that it is an open source language that allows you to take the advantage of extremely rich libraries. Python libraries do all the heavy lifting for you. In most cases, there is an already existing Python libraries. The only thing expected from us is to know how to use it. The third reason why you should learn Python is its diverse application. With Python in your toolbox, you can be a software engineer, Python developer, automate tester, data analyst, data scientist, and many other jobs related to scripting. In this day, Python is just about everywhere, which makes it very special and unique. Of course, this role requires other skills on the top of Python proficiency, but it is a great starting point. Reason number 4, it has extensive online documentation. With an increasing number and depth of Python libraries, documentation becomes more and more important. Fortunately, Python is very neatly documented libraries, which allows you to start quickly. For many libraries, you will even find example codes where you can see the function implemented. So, reading the Python documentation is a good way to learn Python to become better at it at any stage of your learning process. The last but not the least reason is it has an awesome community. Python is an open source language, meaning it's free to use and everyone can contribute to the writing and the maintenance of its code and libraries. As a matter of fact, a big part of what makes Python so attractive is the presence of amazing community. There are many active groups and forums for Python, which is always very useful if you get stuck with something while coding and need some advice. This is especially helpful to new users. If these are the main reason why we learn Python, so what are you waiting for? Click and enroll today. Thank you for watching. I will see you inside.